Some people are convinced they have bad breath when their breath is entirely neutral. Others have terrible breath and don't know it. It can be hard to smell your breath, let alone judge its odor. Ask someone you trust to give you an honest opinion, sometime in the middle of the day and not right after polishing off a tuna sandwich with extra onions. If your suspicions are confirmed and your breath is problematic, don't worry. Many home remedies can eliminate bad breath. Let's take a closer look at some of them. Hello and welcome to my channel, where we uncover how to get rid of bad breath for good with home remedies. In today's video, we will explore the practice of home remedies to get rid of bad breath. Before we move on, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, click on the bell, and turn on the notifications so you will not miss the new video upload every week. Lousy breath typically originates in the mouth, where bacteria are ever present. When you eat, bits of food get caught in your teeth. Bacteria grow on these bits of food, releasing foul-smelling sulfur compounds. The most common cause of bad breath is poor dental hygiene. If you don't brush and floss often, the bacteria in your mouth continue to grow, and a thin film of bacteria known as plaque builds up on your teeth. When plaque isn't brushed away at least twice daily, it produces a foul odor and leads to another smelly process, tooth decay. All foods get stuck in your teeth, but certain foods like onions and garlic more commonly lead to bad breath. Digestion of these foods releases sulfur compounds into your bloodstream. When the blood reaches your lungs, it affects your breath. Although more than 90% of bad breath cases originate in the mouth, occasionally the problem comes from elsewhere in the body. It may result from acid reflux, which leads to the partial regurgitation of foul-tasting liquid. Other possible causes include infections, diabetes complications, and renal failure. Starting a new diet, such as the keto diet, may also bring a specific breath odor. Many believe pineapple juice is the quickest and most effective treatment for bad breath. While there is no scientific evidence to back up this theory, anecdotal reports suggest that it works. After every meal, drink a glass of organic pineapple juice or chew on a pineapple slice for 1 to 2 minutes. It's also important to remember to rinse your mouth of the sugars in fruit and fruit juice afterward. Mouth dryness often causes bad breath. Saliva plays a vital role in keeping your mouth clean. Without it, bacteria thrive. Your mouth naturally dries out while you sleep, so your breath is typically worse in the morning. Prevent dry mouth by keeping your body hydrated. Drinking water, not caffeinated or sugary drinks, throughout the day will help encourage saliva production. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Yogurt contains healthy bacteria called lactobacillus. These beneficial bacteria can help combat harmful bacteria in various parts of your body, like your gut. Research shows that yogurt may also help reduce bad breath. A study found that after 6 weeks of eating yogurt, 80% of participants had a reduction in bad breath. Probiotics in yogurt are effective in reducing the severity of bad breath. To use yogurt to fight bad breath, eat at least 1 serving of plain, non-fat yogurt daily. Ilk is a well-known cure for bad breath. Drinking milk after eating garlic can significantly improve garlicky breath. To use this method, drink a glass of low or full-fat milk during or after a meal containing strong-smelling foods like garlic and onions. Since ancient times, fennel and anise seeds have been used to freshen breath. In parts of India, roasted fennel seeds are still used as mouth fresheners to cleanse after-dinner breath. They taste sweet and contain aromatic essential oils that give the breath a fresh scent. Fennel and anise seeds can be eaten plain, roasted, or coated with sugar. Oranges not only make for a healthy dessert, but they also promote dental hygiene. Many people have bad breath because they don't produce enough saliva to wash away foul-smelling bacteria. Research shows that vitamin C helps increase saliva production, which can help eliminate bad breath. Oranges are rich in this vitamin. Zinc salts, an ingredient in certain mouthwashes and chewing gum, can counteract bad breath. Zinc works to decrease the number of sulfurous compounds in your breath. A source has shown that regular rinsing with a zinc solution can reduce bad breath for at least 6 months. Try a zinc chewing gum designed for people with dry mouth. You can also find zinc dietary supplements at your local drugstore. If you're looking for a natural solution to bad breath, green tea may be just what you need. With its disinfectant and deodorizing properties, it can quickly freshen your breath. Adding mint to your green tea can enhance its effectiveness as a breath freshener. To prepare, brew 2 cups of green mint tea before bed. Refrigerate it overnight and transfer it to a water bottle the next day. Sip on it slowly throughout the day to keep your breath smelling fresh. A study has confirmed that raw apples are effective in fighting garlic breath. Apples contain natural compounds that can eliminate the unpleasant odor of garlic. This is particularly advantageous for people experiencing persistent garlic breath, as these compounds can regulate the bloodstream rather than mask the smell in the mouth. Did you know that baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, can help eliminate bacteria in your mouth and reduce bad breath? To make a baking soda mouthwash, mix 2 teaspoons with 1 cup of warm water and swish it around in your mouth for at least 30 seconds before spitting it out. This can help keep your mouth feeling fresh and clean. It's interesting to note that vinegar contains acetic acid, a natural acid that can hinder the growth of bacteria. By using vinegar mouthwash, you can help reduce bacteria in your mouth. Mix 2 tablespoons of white or apple cider vinegar with a cup of water and gargle the mixture for at least 30 seconds before spitting it out. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights on natural ingredients. In case your bad breath does not improve with home remedies, it is advisable to consult your doctor or dentist. We wish you a healthy and vibrant life and look forward to seeing you in our next video.